I welcome you guys to the second part of the second video. Now we're talking about indexing. So what do you mean by indexing? Now indexing is all about, like, let me explain this way. Let me take a variable name equals to date page. Now you see the string. We have like 7 characters in it. We have A, D, E, D, E, J, I. Now all these letters, they have their own index. Index stands for the position of a character in the string. When I'm talking about string indexing, we are talking about the position of a character in the string. Now, there's not something about every program language, especially in Python. You know, when we used to count, we used to begin from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinity. But in every program language, including Python, we start from 0. Now, this A stands for 0, D stands for 1, E stands for 2, D stands for 3, I'm not following. So A is 0, D is 1, E is 2, D is 3, E is 4, J is 5, and I is 6. But if you are counting from 1 to the 7, but it shouldn't be so. In every program language, you start from 0, not 1. Now, if you now want to print the something, so if I want to get the index, now if you want to like index the name, that's how we used to print. Now if I now want to get A, how will I get A? So now for indexing we use this bracket. What's the name? I don't forget the name of this bracket. Should I say it's not angle bracket? Please, I'm very sorry, I don't forget the name of this bracket, but it's this rectangular let me just rectangular shape bracket. Now I don't write 0, so what will be the output? A will be our output. You can see it gives me A. I hope you guys are seeing it. I'm sorry that this something is giving me problem. Now if I now change it to 1, it's giving me D. If I change it to 2, it should give me E. If I now change it to 3, it should give me D. So that's all about indexing. Indexing is just used to get, like, index stands for the position of a character in an element, right? So that's how we just access characters in a string using indexing. Now there's something called reverse indexing. Now every last character in a string, you can also access it using -1. So if I play this, I should get I. You can see it print out I. I hope you guys I'm sorry that this thing is kind of printing this way. I don't know what's wrong with the termination, but I hope you guys see it. So we access the last character instead of counting. Like if I have a long sentence now and I want to access the last character, how will I access the character? I will have to start counting from 0 to that last character. But with this -1, you just access it straight. You don't need to kind of disturb yourself. And let us now use name. Let me use another something. Boolean. So that you guys can. Now let me now use right. Now if I now change this to Boolean. Yes, sorry. Boolean -1. It should print out each. I hope you guys are seeing it. It should print out each. So that's all about reverse indexing. Reverse indexing. So in the next video we talk about string slicing. So that's all about string. So we'll meet in the next video.